Introducing the Ecore Decade Smart Heat Pump, designed to empower contractors with intelligent installation experience. Its streamlined design and one-piece motherboard reduce visual complexity for contractors. It leverages powerful AI algorithms for precise system control. True automatic refrigerant charging with real-time charging status displayed, ensuring accurate measurement while eliminating the need for gauge or manual calculations. We are the first residential ducted inverter heat pump manufacturer of 4G-enabled IoT technology. Contractors can unlock additional benefits by installing the Ecore IoT Gateway. The Ecore Smart Service Pro app provides step-by-step guidance throughout the installation process, notifies the contractor of any issue or fault, providing timely troubleshooting assistance where needed. To learn more about the Ecore Decade Smart Heat Pump series, visit www.ecore.com.